Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Alhamdulillah, in this good occasion we can meet again. We can talking together about cryptocurrency, but before that, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and watch all video of this channel because the channel always talking about cryptocurrency and that can add our knowledge and our intellectual of cryptocurrency and that can update our mindset of cryptocurrency. Well, like usual, today I want share to you about cryptocurrency. Two Sigma shares among hedge funds positioned for teach comeback. Two Sigma Investment, Hudson by Capital Management and Soros Fund Management were among the prominent hedge fund that had stake in mega-cap technology companies in the last quarter, positioning themselves to potentially benefit from the recent comeback in growth stocks. Two Sigma Investment, for instance, added a new position in Facebook parent Meta platform and Inc of Sidely, more than $1.5 billion share that was worth until $248.5 million at the end of June. According to Securities Filling, Hudson Bay Capital added a new position of 4.66 million shares in Apple Inc, worth nearly $638 million at the end of June, while Soros Fund Management added a new position of nearly $30,000 shares in Tesla Inc worth $21 million at the time of the filing. Meta platform shares are up 12.1% so far this quarter. Apple has gained 26.6% and Tesla shares have increased 37.8%. Quarterly filling, known as 30fs, are one of the few ways that hedge funds are required to disclose their long position but may not reflect current holding. Tech and growth stocks have come screaming back in recent when, after a brutal first half of the year, as some investors bet and Federal Reserve will be less hawkish than previously anticipated in its fight to them the worst inflation in 4 years. The Russell 1000 Growth Index, which is dominated by tech stock, is up until 17.6%. Well, maybe just this what I can share with you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and watch all video of this channel, cause this channel always talking about cryptocurrency and that can add our knowledge and our intellectual of cryptocurrency. Well, thank you very much. See you.